So I opened up the yard sale treasure map app last week looking for garage sales in my area, and let me tell you, the map was absolutely blank. There were no garage sales anywhere near me, but I did notice that an hour away there were like 2 community sales. So that's what I did. I got up bright and early Saturday morning before the sun and drove an hour away to go to garage sales looking for stuff that I could sell on eBay. In this video I'm going to show you what I found, and you let me know. Do you think it was worth it to get up that early and drive an hour? Let me know. And speaking of early, you can see it's still kind of dark outside. And I got to this first sale right as they were setting up.
Come my way. You need to come my way. My way.
Can I help you grab something?
No, I think we're
It looks heavy.
okay, you have to shift it all the way to this side, okay?
I understand, we gotta come out more.
Alright, that's fine.
Let me move these. Pick it up, Pick it up. Pick it up, Mama. There we go. That's good. All right. Perfect. How are you?
I'm well. How about y'all?
Doing great.
Slide this one closer in.
You can see I start putting stuff to the side here. The first putter that I grabbed was an Odyssey White Hut Tour number 1 putter. Should sell for around 40 or 50. And then the next one was a Cleveland Huntington Beach number 6. That one's also a $40 or $50 putter. Unfortunately, the other two weren't really worth much, but I kept looking.
Those right there have just been used a little bit more. Still in good condition, good practice round.
Yeah. Looks like 2 through pitching wedge. That's a pretty deep set.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen a 2.
Yeah. I think one of those, the pings right there have a 1. And it's my father-in-law's.
Oh, I got you. That's like a driving iron almost.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to set some stuff to the side if you don't mind.
Sure.
That set that I just put to the side was a set of Callaway Steelhead X14 irons. It's an older set, but I still think I can get around 130 for them. He was asking 50. The other clubs, unfortunately, were priced a little too high for resale. Like they had 2 sets of Ping Eye 2s at $300 a piece. This Titleist driver that I'm looking at, they want $100 for it, and that's about what it's worth.
Is this going out there, buddy?
Yeah, put it with the short stuff.
Okay.
That's what I'm going around now so I can see what does that.
I found a box of hats for 50 cents a piece though, which is always good. Unfortunately, most of them were pretty stained, so I kind of dug through and picked out the 4 best ones. Ended up with 4 Ping G5 hats, which honestly aren't great sellers on eBay. G5 was an older Ping series, so it's not as popular as it was. I did, however, sell one on Whatnot the other night though for $8. They're asking $30 for this camera, which seems like a lot, especially when comps are all over the place. But it's in mint condition, the sell-through rate's great, and honestly think I can get around 80 or 100 for it. Would you do 20 on that?
What?
Would you do 20 on that?
That was my father-in-law's, so Blake, you probably
Think you do 20 on that?
Blake's in charge of anything.
20 on that?
Yeah.
You gonna meet in the middle? Pretty neat.
Yeah, I guess. All right, who am I paying?
You're paying me.
Oh,
Yeah.
she spoke up quick on that one.
Yeah.
$2. Yep.
Which will be easier in the fall when he starts. She's going. Do you live in the neighborhood, or you just come yard?
No, ma'am. Just come yard sailing.
Oh, good.
You never know what you're gonna find.
That is well. My husband and I go every Saturday.
Do you really?
Because of that. You
Do you really?
never know what you're gonna find.
Did I pay you for these?
Yeah. It was just $2.
That's good.
Thank
you go.
very much.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
And good luck. Hope y'all sell out. You have enough money to go yard sailing next weekend.
That's
You gotta
what we'll
spend it,
do.
right? Y'all have a good one.
How are you doing, sir?
Good about you?
Good.
How would you like the advantage of golf teacher Butch Harmon, instructor to Tiger Woods, available to you 24 hours a day? That's what you get with the Laser Trainer, Butch's favorite teaching tool.
You know, there's no reason in the world if you have average ability, you can't be shooting in the 80s every time you play.
The Laser Trainer is scientifically designed to give you instant and accurate feedback that helps you produce the perfect golf swing.
For $5, I think I gotta have that.
Oh, the laser trainer?
Yeah. You used it?
I had my father-in-law's.
I got you.
Sitting, so.
There you go.
Good deal.
Not getting rid of any clubs, are you?
No. I don't play much anymore.
I understand.
Just in case.
I understand. Appreciate you.
Yeah,
This is a vintage University of Georgia hat. It didn't have any tags on the inside, but the snap read made in the USA, so that's how I knew it was vintage. And I may have sold it too cheap because it sold in a day for $29 plus shipping. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank y'all.
Have a good one.
Which are your pants here? I'll grab those from you and leave you a hanger. Those are soft.
They were feeling really wet because of the mist.
Yeah,
I was like, oh my gosh.
They'll dry.
Thank you.
Thank you. So these funny looking pants are actually military issue extreme cold weather pants. Now, obviously it's not the right time of year to be buying these, but they'll sell eventually and they bring in some decent money. And then I also grabbed a few pair of boots that were too cheap to leave behind and they've already sold.
We are downsizing significantly. So
How about these two pair?
Okay.
What you thinking?
$2 a pair. How much is swerves? The stars for 2 and the strap 2.
Well, I'll give you that 10, you give me that 5 back and we'll call it even. How about
right.
that?
There we go. Perfect. Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you. Some old stuff. $10.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Good.
Don't have any more clubs you're getting rid of, do you?
Oh man. No, you know what? Last year I sold probably 35 clubs.
Well, usually I'm a day late and $1 short. Now I'm a year late and $1 short. Lay that hat too,
you're
appropriate.
late. So I'm just going through all of them. I mean, yeah, maybe when I sell my set, but
That's not gonna happen.
No.
Come on now.
no, it needs to happen.
I hear you.
It definitely needs. Are you a big golfer?
I try to be.
Good.
I spend more time in the woods and the water than anywhere else.
Oh, me too.
I'm a golf fan at least.
Yep. What do you think for extension cords? I have no idea.
How much to charge?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a couple bucks maybe.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna put, $2. If you go to buy them, and I know everybody knows, but.
You wouldn't do 5 on your Sunday bag out there.
What do I have it for? 10?
10. Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me tell you about that Sunday bag. It's a great bag. It doesn't have a stand.
Right. Yeah. Just for a couple of clubs, tote around. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because
Yeah.
I was going to use, but I'm like, it doesn't have a stand.
Yeah. That's why I call it a Sunday bag. You're supposed to put a few clubs in it. Maybe go to the driving range and walk a few
All
holes.
right. Yeah, 5 is fine.
Okay. So I use $7.
Okay. What a deal. What a deal.
Absolutely. Love it.
So stupid me. I thought I had to put my driver. So basically, it's just been sitting in my garage.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
I do too. Thank you.
Wanted to interrupt real quick because this thing was the surprising find of the day. Paid $2 for this nice leather suede Masters valuable bag, thinking it'd be worth maybe 20 or 30 bucks. But when I got it home, started looking on eBay, and I couldn't find any listed exactly like this. So when I clicked on sold, I actually found one. Last one sold for $125. So for my $2 investment, that turned out to be pretty good, and I was definitely surprised. Morning, how are y'all? Good.
Crimson Tiger, huh?
Absolutely. They got all my money a long time ago.
My best friend's a Crimson, played basketball at Crimson back in the day.
Did you really?
No, my best friend.
Oh, your best friend did. I got you.
Yeah, yeah.
I got you. Well, you did by proxy then.
Yeah.
You were his moral support, I'm sure. Man, I hadn't seen one of those in forever. You guys been busy this morning?
Yeah, been kind of steady. You play?
I try.
I think we all do that.
That's about the extent of it. You got 40 on this one?
Yeah.
Is that what it says?
I was trying to get rid of them. I got some shoes over there too. They're brand new.
Oh, I'll take a look.
If you wear 13.
Really? How much you asking for them?
I'll take like $20, but they're brand new. They haven't been worn yet.
Man, those are cool.
Yeah. They're too tight for me.
Did you do 50 for the two?
How about 60? How much does that drop?
You got 40 and 20, so that's 60.
All right. Yeah, I'll do that.
50?
Yeah.
All right. So that club may look familiar. It's actually the same model as the one that I was looking at earlier that the guy wanted $100 for. But honestly, I'm not selling this one. I hit it the other day, the ball went straight, and that's worth way more than $40, so it's in my bag. The shoes, on the other hand, not such a great buy. Gotta love a free buy.
Oh, they fell through together. That's pretty cool, yeah. You got the bag?
No, I don't.
I would.
They got them wet and moldy. You can they're
Yeah,
cheap.
I think I had some now.
If I had them, I never did.
Yeah.
They
It's up to you, man.
they left them in the yard and they got moldy.
Did you do 15 on them?
Yeah. Bag's worth more than that.
Get them for home.
Normally I would tell you not to even look at Wilson golf clubs unless they say Wilson staff, and even then you need to look them up. But these Wilson Hope ladies sets always do really well for me. Well worth $15. Appreciate you.
Yep. Hit them straight.
Not me. Of course I'm not going to drive an hour away from home and not stop at least one Goodwill on the way back. I've sold these before. They sell super quick. Decent condition. Looks like he's got all its straps. If I remember correctly, these things go for like 70 or 80 bucks. They want 24, which is kind of high, but it'll sell quick. That's wild. Vintage polo, like leather lace-up shirt. $7.49. I think we gotta give that a shot. It's crazy. All right, got the crazy polo Ralph Lauren shirt and also the I Walk, which is kind of ironic because I walk into Goodwill, I walk out with profit. That was horrible. All right, I apologize for the dad joke, but I was telling the truth. I did walk out with profit. That thing sold in like a day and a half for 70 bucks plus shipping, so that wasn't too bad. But also, let me know what you think about my whole day. Was it worth me getting up an hour early, driving an hour back? The whole trip, do you think it was worth it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.